Find the area of parallelogram ABCD. So see the parallelogram. We know that area of a parallelogram is always base times height. But it will be very hard for us to solve using that method. So what I will do, I will look at the sides, because you know a rhombus is also a parallelogram and the area is easier to calculate from this, because area of a rhombus is always half times the product of the diagonals, and the diagonals are AC and BD. So let's check if this parallelogram is a rhombus. Sides are equal. Though a square is also a parallelogram, but looking at the angle, interior angle is not 90, because as you can see, this is 90. So each interior angle is not, so it's not a square. So let's check if it's a rhombus. This is x is 5, y is 3. So if I move this down, so here is 3, here is 5. Bring this down to this. You again see that since this is 8 and this is 5, you also see that this is 3. Why 8 minus, as you can see, this is 3. So this is 5, 5, 3. As you can, are you seeing it? 5, 3, 3, 5. So they will have the same hypotenuse. Okay, looking at this, the other. So if you still join here, you see that this is 5. Why the length here is 3. So they will have the same hypotenuse. Coming down here, this is 5. Why this length is 3. So the same hypotenuse. So meaning this is a rhombus. So since it's a rhombus, we solve for the diagonals. Once you know the diagonals, we know the area. So let's just wipe these lines. Okay, meaning that the diagonals are perpendicular since it's a rhombus. So join the diagonals. So we've joined the diagonals, and the diagonals are always perpendicular. So let's find the length of the diagonals. Once you know the area is half times the product of the diagonals. So as you can see, for this longer diagonal, this is 8, tracing down. This is 8. Why this length is also 8, meaning that this longer diagonal AC will be 8 times root 2. It's an isosceles right triangle, so the hypotenuse, one of the legs, times root 2. Why this small one? If you trace down, if you know, this is 3, y here is 5. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So we have 2. The same thing here is 5, and here is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. So meaning the diagonal BD will be 2 root 2. Because it's also an isosceles right triangle. So the area is done. So let's find the area. Area is now half. So we have the area of the rhombus, which is a parallelogram, is half AC times BD. So we have half AC. AC is 8 root 2. Y BD is 2 root 2. 2 root 2 times root 2 is 2. So 8 times 2. The answer is 16. So our answer is option A.